hundreds of lives lost because of the risk of electric shower heater. We will demo now to you what is this ABS new discovery is. Supposed to be the heater is defective. We directly the line wire to the chassis connected to the water. This represents the nozzle. I hope the camera will capture. Over there. Yeah. Where the shower put. No? Now, first, the other one of the tester, we put it into earth ground. Indication that the user of the electric shower taking a bath, stepping to the foot, his foot stepping to the ground, and the other one is to the shower. Remember, the heater is defective, and no one knows when the heater will be defective. Without using earth ground to the product, turn on the heater. I mean the defective heater. See? Again. Turn on the heater. Voltage 110 coming from here to the shower nozzle. Fatal and dangerous while a man stepping to the floor or to the ground. Now watch what this gadget ABS can do to the mankind for safety. Without using earth ground, even the heater is defective. Turn off the gadget. Turn on the gadget. This gadget will be the great advantage to all electric heater once it is adopted. This discovery is for mankind safety. Saving lives is our priority.